Hi, good afternoon, everybody. This is week 5 assignment presentation, choosing priority health issue slides. Poverty rate or poverty level is my choosing priority health issue, especially in my community called Brownsville. Poverty rate is 33.2%, while that of the rate in New York City is 14.7%. And in the United States of America, the poverty rate is 14.1%. You can actually see that the figure doubles for the city and national poverty values. Brownsville is the poorest community in Brooklyn, and it is the seventh poorest population in New York City. This requires multiple level approach to see how we can reduce the poverty rate in Brownsville. Other facts I want to bring up is the fact that there are some risk factors that contribute to this poverty rate we have. To mention a few, we have unemployment, single parenthood, low education, and rent burden. The contributing factors include also race and ethnicity, which I will explain much later. And then common assets that are available in the community that could help to alleviate this extinct poverty is food pantries, we have gardens, we have farmers market, religious organizations that have pantries in their churches scattered all over the community, employment support services, advocacy groups, local and international poverty agencies and services, food stamps, WIC programs, and rest of them also help to alleviate poverty rates in my community. The next slide I would like to show is a slide of poverty percentage in Brownsville, which is about 33.2%. And you can see from this is New York State, where you have counties painted in different colors. The bright red color counties are counties where you have high rate of poverty. Especially this is Kings County, and Brownsville is located in Kings County, and that has a poverty. The Brownsville community has a poverty of 33.2%. And you can see from the gradings here, they are in the highest to the red zone, 30 to 44% range. So it's actually very high in my community. Another thing else I want to show you is poverty by race and ethnicity. And this is a graph, a histogram of share versus race or ethnicity. The share is represented in percentage, and ethnicity are various ethnic groups that reside in Brownsville. The black, which are mainly African Americans, have up to 60% of poverty rate, while Hispanics have about 20%. And the rest, the whites, the Asian, Native Americans, and Islanders, plus other races, are all below 10%. So you can see the burden lies on this particular group. That's where we have the highest rate of poverty in my community. Thank you so much. The next slide, the last slide is a slide of references that cover the slides 1, 2, and 3. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.